Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Williams family. I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. It is the weekend. And I'm about to start making some dinner. Yes, but Abby requested to have some fried chicken. So, bye babe. So that is what I'm doing. I'm making some fried chicken and some probably white rice on the side. And I think I'm gonna do some macaroni salad. I haven't done macaroni salad in a long time. What are you, my tail? So that is what I am currently doing right now. We just got home, had a long day doing a whole bunch of run around. So I just did a quick little grocery shop just to get some stuff that I need. Look, I found these big gigantic marshmallows. So yeah, the kids them wanted it, so I got them it. Oh. Hey guys, so hubby just got home. He's outside. Well, unfortunately I didn't get to make him dinner before he come, so he's been away again. I am actually going to put in my pasta right now. I got my rice wash, got my chicken and stuff that I'm about to do that, so I'm gonna do that and then I will come back. Okay guys, so I think I am ready to fry my chicken. I'm just gonna start. So I've got my stuff set up to cut up for my macaroni salad, and I already have my macaroni cooked here. It's just sitting in cold water, so I'm going to do that. And I put on some rice over there. I should get the pot cover and cover that. So I got rice going right now. I'm gonna turn down that thing a bit. So, and as you see, I got my chicken here, and I got call it my egg wash, and I got my flour. So I'm gonna start transporting it over. Yeah, I'm gonna transport that bad boy over. Let me just grab another plate. And okay, so let me see if I can do this. Let me get a chicken. So I'm gonna get a chicken leg, and then I'm just gonna let you guys see. Make sure I get it in there, and then when it's blended, I transport it over into the flour, and then you could just use that. So you can use a spoon, or you could use your hand, but maybe it's better to use my hand. So make sure it's coated. You could always dip this again if you want. So I'm gonna try and coat all of them first. So I'm gonna try and coat all the chickens before I drop them in the hot oil. Guys, I just transferred chicken into my egg wash. Oh Lord. And then I transferred it into my seasoned flour, my secret ingredient that I usually use. I don't have it, so we don't know. We'll see how these chickens turn out today.
To motivate and inspire. No make no man turn you in a victim. Do not make them manipulate your mind.
I'm about to fry my chicken. My oil is hot, so I'm just gonna start dropping them in and getting them done.
No make them promise you no bling bling, cause education in a sea.
Yeah, so I have my chicken frying right now, as you can see, and my rice is pretty much done. So I turn that down. I am about to cut up my bell peppers and stuff for my stuff. I'm about to do that just now. see this crispy chicken. Look at this bad boy. Look at that, guys. Chicken looks good, good, good. Yeah, I can't wait for the chicken to done. Listen to them upstairs, huh? A bunch of hooligans making all sorts of noise. Yeah, you can keep the noise down. Why is your mouth so loud? What's all that upstairs in the hall?
Laundry.
Really? Go and go get some.
Mommy, bring it back.
Aren't you taking that off?
What? Oh.
You're that the one then and that one upstairs
He
now.
won't bring me.
Babes, are you bringing Faith swimming? Pardon?
Memphis afraid I
Oh my god.
My
Let's
grandma
go see
beating
what this
me
crazy
out.
one's doing.
My grandma beat her that lot.
Hello.
Please, ma'am.
Really?
Please, not ma'am.
Oh, babes, did you see the thing that I got for the girls to put up in their room?
What thing?
Yeah, when you have time, can you put them up?
Nope.
Why?
Nope.
Really, babes? Did you guys, did you hear him say he's not putting up the, so why are you taking off your shirt now for with your chicken chest? Hey, look at this one here. What is this, chest for chest? Yeah, I wish one that I officially who has the most chest.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are disgusting.
My dad asked me if I was a pig.
No, you guys are disgusting.
Yeah, you again, me,
Huh? Memphis!
Piggyback ride.
No, don't piggyback ride my butt. You better get off of me.
Piggyback ride.
Ew, Memphis, take Mario. Hold on the stairs.
But there's
Yeah, okay,
supposed to
there's stuff, there's change in the car. Don't take all of it. No, for Faith, for, oh, you have your own change?
Come on.
I know.
I have $2.
No, you have your own money, so use your money.
I
Don't
only
use your
have
money in the car.
$2, Mom.
Ow, my
Don't use my money. Let me go check on the chicken.
I only have $2.
Huh? Yeah. She's such a miser when it comes to money, eh?
Yo, can I bring
You see? Where Mario there? Hey, see Mario gone now? Okay, like take what you're taking and get out. So, yeah, so those ones are frying right now. And I'm gonna turn this down on too. So guys, I just started cutting up some vegetables here. So that is what I am currently doing. So I'm just cutting them up to put in my macaroni salad.
You can be a future nurse or a gynecologist. You see the hype, you nobody follow back at this. Me take the rough road, but I
just find when you season your macaroni, it gives it more flavor. And then you just mix it. Okay. And then I basically just add, so I'll add all of this and I will just add my mayo last. And I always love like cool with mayo for doing this. Let me try and mix this bad boy. I always go with Miracle Whip when I am using it. I find it just gives it a lot more flavor. Out of all the mayos I use, I always like to use Miracle Whip. Okay, so I'll go in with that much for now. And then I'm just gonna mix it. So, okay, let me try this and see how it goes. But a little more mayo. I think a little more mayo can go in here. Okay, that should definitely be enough. So I got some of the chicken here. As you can see, they're looking good. I got a marvelous. Let's take a bite into the chicken. Look at that. Well, nice and crispy. Don't tell them I have the chicken there. Get my tester spoon here. I'm gonna test out the macaroni. It's so nice. Oh yeah. Okay. Things are looking good. So my gravy is finished over here. Down low. Oh, that looks like it's good. The rice is all done. I could been sitting on low, so I could turn it off now. I'm gonna turn it off. My chicken, the other fore part, is just frying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the, I have space in the fridge. Oh, I'm gonna have to find space in this fridge to put the macaroni salad in. So I'm gonna try and get the macaroni salad in here. Let's see this one here. Throwing the ball at me. Huh?
Got 12 balls at you?
Yes, you're throwing balls at me. My smooches, I haven't got a kiss since you came in.
When I came in.
What do you mean you come in?
We came already?
In clash.
We did make game already.
You miss me? Hello, the curtains are open. Babes! Why you know so cold? Babes, the food is upstairs. He's cleaning his room. Yeah, he's cleaning his room, babes. Taste the pasta.
So now taste no first?
Dinner's ready, yeah?
What?
So I'm gonna dish the food. But I'm gonna wash the dishes and then yeah, guys.
Let me eat pasta.
Right? So I'm going to
So
wash the dishes.
I thought me see make.
What?
Macaroni something.
I don't know. I didn't say macaroni pie. I said macaroni salad. So I'm gonna make macaroni salad, rice, fried chicken, and gravy.
No.
Hello, you're the one that you said yes. So I'm going to go wash the dishes, guys, and then come back. So guys, we are about to eat. Mr. Williams said in couldn't wait because it's the last time he eat, and now this time, so he make sure he's starving. So he's hungry and he couldn't wait. So he is eating, but that is our dinner. So you have your fried chicken, gravy, rice, and macaroni salad. So that is what we are having on this Friday night for dinner. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit down and eat, and yeah, I guess I will tune in. I don't think we're doing much today. We are probably just well tonight. Yes, sir. So I don't think we're doing much tonight. We're just hanging out as a family, pretty much, because hubby's tired. He's had a long day, so that's pretty much what he'll be doing. Hanging out, maybe watching a movie till he drop asleep, or both of us, because since your girl was up all night till after 2 doing an assignment, and then I was up doing a whole bunch of running around today and another assignment. So yeah, that is pretty much what it is. You didn't tell me what you want to drink. I have pop, orange juice, and then I have juice. I can make some juice, and we have water. Orange juice? Okay. Alright, finish eating, and I'm about to, well, head upstairs and freshen up for the night. And yeah, so everything's all cleaned up. I just finished doing the dishes, and that is about it. I got to go put in another load of laundry, so I'm about to do that just now. That is what I'm going to do. And then I think I gotta go get Faith She went for her swimming lessons, so I gotta go get her soon. And yeah, so I was just coming in to close the vlog, and I would like to say thank you all for watching and subscribing, and don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. Bye guys.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None days bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and cheddar. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.